Hey there, folks. Dustin House here again. Spreading that good word about affiliate marketing. I'm here with Todd Weitzman. He's got Pub Recruiter, and he's going to tell us all about it. I'm always up for those recruitment tools and finding out what's the best and brightest in the industry right now. And I've had some great conversation with Todd. I wanted to highlight some of the things he's doing and how he can help get you more affiliates into your program. So Todd, let's run through it. How you doing, man? I'm doing great. Why don't you give me a breakdown of how your business rolls? Cool. Yeah. Great. So you've been putting this together for a little over a year. You've been in the industry a while, though. I feel like I've had conversations with you years ago before you even started this up. So tell us about that journey. Great. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Yeah. Well, your journey sounds a whole lot like mine. I graduated in '08. I went and played poker for a living for a year before I got my first job in affiliate after that recession cooled down, and I was able to get my first job over at CJ, and then I worked for a coupon site, so I know that side of the thing, and I worked for agencies. Like it's pretty incredible that our journey is really similar. That's awesome. Um, And as far as recruitment goes, like these kinds of tools, they just weren't out there when we got in the industry, and they're coming in, just being super helpful for affiliate managers like myself and you, and getting easier access to a list of publishers that are going to be a good fit for your program. So I'm really interested in seeing a little bit of a demo here from you, and what you can bring to the table for some of the merchants out there looking for help. Right. Okay. Great. Excellent. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. I like Sleep Foundation there doesn't want sponsored posts. They just want affiliate offers. That's a unique angle that I'm not used to. Absolutely. Okay. 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 Great. Okay. Sure. Mm-hmm. Smart. Great. Gotcha. Okay. Can you go back to that the main screen there with all of the possibly or possible pubs? Uh, the search bar up at the top. What do people search there? Is it a particular niche? Okay. 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 Yeah. Huh. Okay. So you can search by the niche you're looking for essentially and find some there. Okay. Um, and tell us about pricing. Is this like per partnership that you request? Is this a big bulk deal? How do you work for pricing? Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. So you're acting as a sub-affiliate network essentially and joining their program. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Right. Okay. Fantastic. Oh yeah. Why not join? That's a better question. All right. Well, appreciate the demo and the run through of the business. What's the best way to get a hold of get a hold of you? Great. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's super important at this stage. While you are working out the bugs and making a better product, getting that feedback is essential. And I'm happy to give you some myself. And so this has been great, Todd. Appreciate your time. Thanks for running us through this. And I will leave a link in the description below of this video to get a hold of Todd. And uh, appreciate your time, bud. We'll catch you out there. All right. See you, man.